Create a 10 minutes video for YouTube about education. Welcome to Mindful Mentors 12. Today we're diving into hybrid learning hacks. Thrive in 2025. Learn 10 practical tips to master the blend of online and in-person learning, perfect for students, parents, and teachers. This video shares strategies to succeed in 2025's hybrid classrooms. Hit that like button, grab a device, and let's thrive. Subscribe and ring the bell for more tech learning insights. Get the basics of hybrid learning. It mixes virtual lessons with in-person classes. In 2025, 60% of schools use this model. Research shows understanding boosts engagement by 20%. Check #hybrid learning on X. New to this? Share your experience in the comments and grab our guide below. Pick your tools. Use a reliable laptop, Zoom for calls, and Google Classroom for organization. In 2025, CNET lists top setups. Studies show the right tech improves focus by 18%. Start with a headset. Which tool are you using? Tell us below. Set a goal to succeed. Aim to complete one online assignment or attend one in-person class weekly. In 2025, Todoist tracks hybrid tasks. Research says goal setting boosts productivity by 22%. Pick one goal today. What's your goal? Drop it below. Build a focus zone. Set up a quiet desk with good lighting and a charger. In 2025, ergonomic designs trend. Studies show a workspace cuts distractions by 15%. Organize one today. Tried it? Share your setup below. Plan your day. Use a calendar for online and in-person schedules. In 2025, apps like Notion sync hybrid plans. Research says time management boosts grades by 20%. Plan 1 week. Planned yet? Tell us below. Stay active online. Ask questions in Zoom or collaborate in breakout rooms. In 2025, tools track participation. Studies show engagement improves retention by 17%. Participate once. Engaged? Share your tip below. Use it offline. Practice note-taking from virtual classes in person. In 2025, Evernote links hybrid notes. Research says applied skills enhance learning by 18%. Try one skill weekly. Applied it? Tell us below. Track your wins. Use Trello to log online assignments or in-person attendance. In 2025, apps sync with school tools. Studies show tracking boosts motivation by 15%. Review weekly. Tracking yet? Share your app below. Connect with others. Join X's #hybrid learning or Discord for tips. In 2025, Edmodo hosts forums. Research says community learning improves skills 10% faster. Join today. In a community, share it below. Keep it balanced. Limit screen time to 3 hours daily with Forest app. In 2025, balance enhances well-being by 12%. Pair with outdoor time. How do you balance? Drop your routine below. Let's recap. From choosing tech to balancing life, these 10 hacks help you thrive in hybrid learning. Which one's your favorite? Share in the comments. If this helped, like and subscribe to Mindful Mentors 12 for more.